Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today topic of our discussion is demonstrative pronoun. What is demonstrative pronoun? It is a word that is used to point out specific person, place or thing. It is used to demonstrate something. It helps us show whether something is near and far. In a short way, it is used to tell us about something that is near or far. It is used to point out something. Here are some examples. For example, this, that, those and these are an example of demonstrative pronoun. Here are some other words that function as a demonstrative pronouns. For example, neither, none and such. Neither is used for choosing between two options. None is used for choosing between many options. Such is used for pointing out a noun same as this or that. What is the use of this and these and that and those? This and these refers to something that is nearby, either in space or in time. Here are some examples. This is a bag. Here this is used to demonstrate a bag, to point to a bag, because this bag is near to us. That's why we used here this is a bag, and this is also used for a singular noun. These are used for plural noun that are near to us. These are shopping bags. Here these are used because shopping bags are near to us, and also plural noun. What is the use of that and those? These two words are used to point to something that is far away from us in space and time. For example, that is our dog. Here that is used to point to a dog that is far from us, and it also a one dog. That is used for a singular noun that is far away from us, to point to a dog, to point to a person, place or things that is far from us. Some other examples are included. Those are houses. Here those are used for pointing out because houses are also a plural noun. Those are used for plural noun. Those are used to point to something that is also plural and far from us. Those are houses. Here is summary. These, those, this and that are an examples of demonstrative pronoun. These is used for plural noun that are near to us, like apples are near to us. That's why we will use these are apples. Those is used for plural noun that are far from us. Those are apples. This is used for singular noun that is near to us. This is an apple. This is a bag. This is a cat. That is used to point to something that is far from us. That is also used for singular noun. That is an apple. Here are some questions. Can you tell which sentence include demonstrative pronouns? Those roaches under our sink are totally gross. Here those is an example of demonstrative pronoun. Attempt all these questions given below. Thank you for listening.